Open GIMP, create a new image of sufficient width and height. Then open the two images you want to compare. This image is a reference image, so select all, copy, and then paste. Then use the move tool to drag this to a convenient location, and then select layer, anchor layer. Now you can close the reference image. Now to compare this image and this one, we need to first of all make sure certain key levels align well. For example, we need to make sure the top of this skull on the reference image aligns with the top of the skull on our own image. We also need to ensure that the two images we are comparing are relatively comparable in sizes. So what we can do now is, before we paste this image onto this, we'd like to establish a level where we want to align those two. So select the pencil tool here, click on a point on the top of the skull, hold the shift key down, move the cursor, click on wherever it is sufficiently comfortable for you. You should see a line now. Once that is done, we want to paste an equal sized image of the skull of our own image to this area for comparison. So select this rectangle select tool, and we want to clip the image somewhere at this level. Select this accordingly. If you are not precise, you can use these corners to align the edges properly. Now that you have selected the important area, use edit, copy, go back to the comparing image, select, paste. Now you see the pasted size is quite different. That's okay for now. Again, select the move tool and move this such that you align the top of this to that red line that we just draw. Now select the scale tool and then drag it just a bit. The thing that you want to make sure here is, when this window opens, make sure this is locked, that is, the width and height will change in the right proportion. They don't change independently. Make sure it is in this position. If it is not, click on it and you can lock those two in place again. Go ahead and now scale it. somewhere like this. I think this is kind of okay. To be even more precise, you could draw a line here also to help you with this alignment. Once you have done reach that convenient place, you can hit scale. This shows the changes have taken effect. Again, do a layer, anchor layer. Now we are good to draw any number of lines to compare. You can check if these align well. You can check this point. So that's basically the idea. You could do the same by copying this over and pushing it down here. The idea remains the same. Hopefully this kind of answers the question that was asked. If not, please let me know and I can see if the video can be tweaked.